Hey guys, it's Ambrose with Garden Obsessions. It's Sunday night, it's about 10:30. We just wanted to do a quick video, put one out before another week goes and we don't have another video put out. It's just been really busy. We never imagined doing videos indoors, but we have tons of stuff going on. We have some shelves that we're putting up and setting up some planters as well. I think the main thing with that is before we do anything, any kind of videos with that is just getting our lighting right. We have, like I said, we have amaryllis bulbs growing in here. We have some paper whites. We have a lot of indoor plants that we could talk about as well. As you can see over to my left shoulder here, we got a project that's going on over there. That was where the chameleon was in. I even have a saltwater tank that I just recently started to get back up. I didn't mention in the video before, but when the power went out back in September for about a good 2 weeks, it just devastated everything in that tank. It's a saltwater tank, so it kind of didn't do it any good and lost everything in there, but we got that set up back and going. So we have a lot of projects going on inside the house. The main thing we wanted to show is we have an awesome mail call. I found this website called Seeds Now. Go ahead and show you what we got here real quick. So this website that I went to, they have some pretty awesome prices on some seeds that they have. The one that I ordered first was a herb garden variety pack, and it comes in this here, and it gets sent first class mail. So it got here fairly quickly, but I'm gonna show you what we actually got here. This was if I remember correctly, this was $19.99 for the variety pack. And got quite a bit of stuff. So I'm gonna show you exactly what came in here. So we got a couple of them. The first thing we got was some Greek oregano. We got some mint lemon, some rosemary. Yes, the kids are up. They should be asleep, if you can hear that. We got some garlic chives. We got some English lavender, some fennel, basil, borage, salad burnet, some parsley, some thyme, cilantro, and some French parsley, also known as chervil, and basil leaf lettuce. So for 20 bucks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 different varieties of herbs. All right, we have to pause that real quick. So just to get back to where I was at. So 14 different varieties of herbs that I got in that one package. Like I said, that was 20 bucks. What comes in there is it gives you some pretty cool instructions as far as how to plant this stuff and some different information. Guide to starting your own seeds. We're gonna start these soon. I'll do another video on that. But another one that I got here, I'm gonna show you that one real quick, is, oh wait, I must have forgot something in here. I did. All right, so some summer savory that was in there. Those came in there as well. And they give you an extra, what is this? A free starter kit, which was some red Russian kale. That was also in there, and it has a little pellet. Be right back. All right guys, so I'm gonna try to finish this video before it gets even crazier here. He's used to me putting him to bed, so he took a long nap today, so he's wide awake. He's just not sleepy right now. But all right, so I got another one from them as well. So this one's pretty awesome. I wanted to show y'all this one as well. So Seeds Now has a monthly box shipment that they do. I'm gonna show you exactly what I got from the monthly box shipment. So what you do is you go on this website, you put in, basically ask you a couple different questions. Is what are you gardening in? I think what zone, is it full sun or shade? Certain questions to that nature. And they give you this here. It tells you how to get it started and then exactly what they sent you. It tells you everything on here, what they sent you. So for the first month that I'm doing this, the first thing I got was some rosemary, some mustard greens, some grand red onions, some beauty white radish, and the last one I got was some garlic chives. They also send you 10 seed starting soil pellets that you can use with this as well. A couple of plant tags, and some Epsom salt. And it tells you, it gives you some directions here how to use it once you get them going and stuff like that. So if you want to try this seeds now, there's a 20% off coupon that I got in the mail with them. You can use that. I'll put that in the link below as well. And if you do go to the monthly thing here, I'll put this code on there as well. It's kind of a referral code. So it gives you, if you get going and you give your referral code to somebody else, you get $5 off your next shipment or whatever the case is. What I'm going to do with the referral code is, so an opportunity, something that I've been wanting to do. I know we've done quite a bit of things. We just started getting into the vegetables and we're starting to get that stuff going. But what I want to do, what I want to offer is I want to give away a 3-month box shipment, meaning you'll get this package right here, 5 different seeds or whatever they sent you that month. You'll get that for 3 months. All you got to do is leave a comment, be a subscriber, and let somebody else know about our channel. How you do it doesn't matter. I'm gonna leave it up to the integrity system. You tell me you let somebody else know, I'll take your word on it. All you gotta do, like I said, is be a subscriber, leave a comment, and we'll pick one soon, and you'll win a 3-month subscription to this. It's actually called Urban Organic Gardening Club. It's from Seeds Now. It's just, that's what they call that one, the gardening club. Like I said, you can use the code as well, the referral code. Or you can leave a comment down below for an opportunity to win this. Again, I appreciate you all you guys for watching. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next video.